Hi everybody, good morning. This is Jean here, Jean Truelove from Truelove Quilts for you. I hope you're all doing well. We have had an eventful week, and I do apologize for not getting back to you for anything. If you missed me, whatever. Somebody said, oh, I could see you every day. I'm like, oh my word. We went away for about 6 days up to our son's house up in the mountains in the Poconos, and we were very busy. We went up with how many of our kids? 3 or 4 of our kids and all of the grandchildren. It was so very lovely. And my brother, of course, my brother Donald and his wife Patty came. We just had a lovely, lovely time. And we were not so busy doing things, but we were so busy relaxing that on the last day, actually, I went to take my camera, which I had taken. I had taken some photographs, but I took my camera and I was videoing. I was videotaping it, or I was going to videotape it in the pretty mountain house area there, and it was like no memory card. I grabbed 4 batteries for my camera, and I forgot to put a memory card in. So I thought, oh, never mind. I don't want to bore you guys with the same old, same old. You know, you've been up to the mountain house with our sons and everything, and my brother. It was just a lovely, lovely. We left on Sunday, the 2nd, and then we came back yesterday. Today is Friday. I don't know what today is. Today is Friday, whatever day it is. But we had just a wonderful, wonderful time. We visited friends in Walk Hill, New York. We drove up there on Wednesday. It was just so lovely. I don't have an awful lot of pictures, but I do have a couple of pictures that I'm going to put up. I just wanted to not apologize, because I don't have to apologize, but I have not answered any of your comments for the last 2, maybe 3 videos, and I feel bad about that. I don't want you to think I've dropped off the face of the earth, because I do love communicating with you guys. The last video I did put up was I had actually filmed that before last week of my flying geese unit for my row along with Jean quilt. So nothing is happening except Ian and I and Maxwell had a lovely time, a real relax. It's just so wonderful. Their home is like a home away from home. It's not like even a lovely hotel. They have all of the cooking and the cleaning and beautiful towels and sheets and washer and dryers. It's just really lovely. It is a real sweet home. We ate out a couple of times, but then we took breakfast food, and because it's so dead quiet, at the top of a mountain, real dead quiet. It's just so pleasurable. I think I do have a picture of the deer coming real close. The deer came right to us, It was just wonderful. But you've seen that before. Again, I don't want to. I always say that I don't want you to think I'm bragging about our family. You know, we do have a large family, and we do a lot with them. And that's all I sometimes have to video, or our friends. But yeah, we had a lovely day on Wednesday. It was a lot of driving. Well, not too much. Walk Hill, New York is about an hour and a quarter, about an hour and 20 from the mountain house. So that was really nice. Anyway, I just wanted to touch base and say hello, and I will be getting back to my row along quilt, some of the blocks. I have to put my thinking cap on, but I just wanted to say hello to you all, and oops, what was that? Oh, my computer. And thank you all again for all of your lovely words and your support to the Truelove family, and just watching me. I really appreciate it. I love talking to my camera because I know you guys are on the other end of it, and you appreciate it. I hope we make you smile. And it's really warm here. It was like 94 degrees. I was not doing too well the last few days, and we came into our lovely home and it was warm. We don't have central air. We have these mini splits, which in this old, not Victorian, but this old farmhouse that we have here. But I'd say within 2 hours, they really cooled it down, the air conditioning. Nice, good old insulated house we have here. So we slept very cool, considering it was so hot outside. Maxwell sends his love, as does Ian. They're out today doing some chores, because we were away for almost a week. But I just wanted to check in and say hello, and thank you so very much. And keep safe, everybody. Love from the Trueloves. Bye.
Bye.